Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on fractions worksheets. This video has a few slides in it and it gives us some exercises so we can practice some work on fractions which were introduced in the last lesson. So if you need a refresher course on fractions, as soon as you get to the end of this particular video here, there's a link which goes back to the lesson, just in case you need to do that. Number 1. What is the numerator in the fraction 5/8? What is the denominator in the fraction 2/9? Here we have a circle. What fraction of this circle is shaded? What fraction of this circle is unshaded? Now here we have to follow the directions very carefully. Draw a circle and divide it into 10 equal parts. Shade 3 parts of this circle. What fraction is shaded? What fraction is unshaded? The next one. Draw a rectangle and divide it into 12 equal parts. Shade 11 parts of this rectangle. What fraction is shaded? What fraction is unshaded? Number 7. Draw a square and divide it into 16 equal parts. Shade 7 of the parts green. Shade 6 of the parts red. What fraction is shaded green? What fraction is shaded red? What fraction of the whole square is shaded? What fraction of the whole square is unshaded? And the last one. Now here we have 9 separate circles. And they've just been divided into different parts, as you can see. The important thing to note is that all of the parts are equal. So there are 9 of them here. So the question says, what fraction is shaded for each of the following circles? There are 9 separate answers. So look at this circle, for example, and write the fraction which is shaded. And you just go along and do that for each of the circles. And that's why you have 9 separate answers. So this video has given us a few slides so we can practice some exercises on fractions, which was introduced in an earlier video. And if you need some refresher course, just at the end of this video there is a link and it will lead you back to the lesson on fractions.